Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. All right, so, got a text. So today, actually first let me start off by showing you the beautiful dried results of my last painting. I love it. These things turn out so perfect on the charcoal base with these colors and the iridescence. I mean, when you saw it wet, a lot of these parts here were white because it was the pearl, but now it's a turquoise. I love it. And I'm happy to report that this piece has sold before the paint was even dry. Same with the other painting. So look at that. It still needs a top coat of crystal resin. Speaking of that, I spent my night last night and I resined 8 paintings, got that all done and taken care of. I gotta push my light back. It's too bright and in my eyes. There we go. That was so much better. Yeah, got a lot of resin done. I'm working in the shop. I'm cutting more spinners. Please be patient with me. As soon as I cut more, I get more orders. I have probably about 22 large spinner orders and like 15 small ones. I'm working on it as fast as I can. I'm also trying to set up for Montreal and get myself packed. Like, you can't see it, but right there in the corner, I've got bins and boxes stacked up that are packed and ready to go from Montreal to put in the car for my long 8-hour drive with Anthony to Montreal. There are still spots available. April 12th, I'm going to be teaching 3 classes. Morning class, blowout. Second class, bloom technique. Third class is going to be a resin top coating class where you're going to get to resin on a 10 by 10 inch painting that I made and you get to take home. So if you want information from Montreal, you can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. And then Spokane, Washington. I'm going to be in Spokane June 6th to 9th for an all-inclusive lakeside retreat. All-inclusive, okay? That means transportation to and from the airport. Cabin, where you're going to be staying lakeside in a cabin. And then 2 days worth of classes, so 4 classes with me, a 5th. There's all kinds of food, drink, booze, snacks, all kinds of stuff, all inclusive. If you want information on that event, you can find the website link below in the description. Okay, so I've been playing with my laser the last couple of weeks, and I've had some ideas, some inspirations from some artists on Instagram. You may have already seen this on Facebook because I did post it like 2 days ago. But for those of you who aren't on Facebook or didn't see it, I wanted to show it to you here. How cool is this? So I call this like wave art, complete with doggy hair. So I call this wave art. So I cut it out with my laser and I painted them, resined it, but I have so many other ideas for this, which I'm gonna do a video on when I get back from Montreal. I don't have time right now. So when I get back from Montreal, I'm going to do a video on this process, but I'm gonna change it up a little bit. But I mean, how cool is this? I mean, you can do it this way, this way. I mean, this is so cute. I love this. And you can do like all kinds of colors, rainbow colors, or like ombre of blues or purples or who knows. But like, I mean, how cute is this? This guy is a 12-incher and I'm gonna be working on a 16-incher in the upcoming video. So stay tuned for that. But let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. Do you guys like it? It's different, right? I mean, just something simple and different. But, and this guy is available if anyone is interested in purchasing this little guy. But yeah, how cool is that? You can see my reflection. But super neat, super duper neat. I'm really happy with that. And like I said, I've got some really cool ideas coming up. Okay, so you can see here already what I'm doing today. I have decided to go the rainbow route again. And this time, you know, I had a lot of people like, oh, use hot pink or green, lime green. So I went with the pink for this one. There's a lot of air bubbles in here. Now, I did use Reflex Rose by Amsterdam. However, for the first time ever, I ran out of Floetrol. I never run out of Floetrol. Today, I ran out of Floetrol. I had enough Floetrol to make like 3/4 of a cup, which probably wasn't going to be enough to do the base and the sides and all of that. So I did have to add titanium white to it. So it did lighten it up a little bit. I would have preferred it to stay solid, you know, Reflex Rose. Oh, geez. You know, but it is what it is. I had no more Floetrol, so I could not mix up any more paint. So like I said, I added some titanium white to that. So we've got a like pastel-y neon pink instead. All right, so it is what it is. And the colors I'm gonna use are Liquitex Basics Cadmium Free Red Light. That's what that is. All right, I still haven't put labels on them. Then we've got 24 Karat Gold by DecoArt. Then we have Liquitex again, and this one is Fluorescent Violet. I should have known. Fluorescent Violet. Then we have Metallic Cobalt Blue by Artist Loft. Then we have Interference Turquoise by TriArt. Then we have Quinacridone Magenta by Holbein. And then I'm going to do a little sprinkle of Titanium White by Amsterdam. So that's a lot of colors for a little canvas. So I'm going to have to be like light-handed on my squeezing here because this is only a 12 by 16. I've been doing 14 by 18s and I did a 16 by 20. But today, since I'm doing this crazy color pink, I figured I would do a smaller canvas, so 12 by 16. So I'm going to flood the canvas and I'll be right back. Okay, this reminds me of Barbie. Somebody out there is gonna love this, who loves pink, who loves Barbie, because this is screaming Barbie to me. I mean, it just does. Pink. Anywho, I don't know about this, but we're gonna find out. I don't know. I'm gonna do my little normal wispy here, or not wispy, but oh my god, the orange on here looks bad, but that's okay because the rest of these colors actually look really good with pink. So we'll see what happens. And you notice I didn't put a lot of the orange because the orange always seems to take over, so I didn't put a lot of it. But the rest of the colors I'm gonna go normal with and give a healthy squeeze, and we'll see what happens. Oh my gosh. So right now I have 11 minutes before my print job or my laser job in the workshop is done, and then I have to, I'm actually oh, I've got a clog. Oh, there he is. I gotta get him out. I'm doing my Highland cows. I have 3 orders of Highland cows to do. Oh, come on. And oh my gosh, look at my finger. Hold on. Look at that. That's pretty. I have 3 orders of Highland cows, so I'm cutting out my cows too, on top of doing spinners, because I gotta get these cows done for my clients. But yeah, I never thought the Highland cow would be so popular. I'm thinking of doing like a chicken or a rooster next, or some other sort of farm animal. So let me know what farm animal you would want to see, because I can do it. I didn't think the cow would be so popular, but it is. But I think a rooster would be super cute. or pig, or I don't know. Let me know. Or chicken rooster, same thing. Well, you know what I mean. Anywho, yeah, let me know in the comments below. Okay, I don't know. Let's find out together. Let's do it. I don't know what to think. She's bright. She's in your face. That's for sure. I mean, you know, I love the metallic cobalt blue in here. I kind of want like negative space right here just to kind of do something with that. This is pretty though. And then, I don't know, this is so weird. It's so different. So different from what I normally do. I mean, the colors look good and the orange didn't take over. I feel like it's a little muddy right here. Again, that's obviously from the orange, but I wonder if I should just do like a pink, just like a negative space of pink right here. Like that. And then, oop. And good thing I have some extra kicking around. And we go like this, like that. And then a little more so that I can blow it off the side. But you see now, because I didn't wipe off the original color, which I should have done, and I always say that to do, it'll show up underneath. So we don't want that. So I got to do that again. Okay. I got pink under my nails. All right, let me try that again. I hope I don't mess this up. Okay. That's better. Yeah, see, that's better. You need to scrape off the color, especially off the side, because it's gonna show the dark, the blues, all the colors down the side, and we want it to match. And if you don't wipe it, then it's gonna show, and we don't want that. Oh, I actually like that so much better. And I'm actually hating this part now too, because I just feel like it shouldn't be over the edge, but this part's all over the edge, and it will continue to go over the edge from what I see is happening here. I'm still glad I did that. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it because I feel like I'm gonna mess it up. So I got a little bit left. I'm gonna fix up my edges and I'm gonna bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. Alrighty, before we get to the close-up, take your stick and you want to scrape those drips. All right, do all 4 sides, come back 10 minutes later, do it again, and you should be good to go. Yeah, I don't know what to think about this. I mean, you guys got to tell me in the comments. I mean, it is bold, it is vibrant, it is in your face loud, but it works. I mean, aside from a few muddy spots because of the orange, I really think it's gonna look cool, especially when it dries, because it's all gonna dry darker. So let's turn the lights off and see what we get with the flash on. All right, so lights are off, flash is on, and shimmer is there. I mean, I knew the shimmer would be there. We have the metallic cobalt blue, we've got the 24 karat gold, we've got the interference turquoise, so there's definitely shimmer happening here, a lot of it too, but I cannot wait to see how this dries. This one's gonna be interesting, but this up here, this top corner, is my favorite part of the piece. I just think it's so pretty. So we'll see what happens when it dries. Well, there you have it, my friends. Would love to know what you think about this in the comments below. Obviously, it's available for purchase if anyone is interested, but I'll be very curious to see what it looks like when it's dry, because like I said, it's gonna get darker as it dries. So yeah, that's it. Let me know what you guys think about it. Check out the description below for all your needs and links and websites and information and discounts to Loli Veffy, crystal resin, all that fun stuff. That is it for me for now. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.